Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today's lesson is super important because we are learning the verb to be. Trust me, if you master this verb, you will speak English more confidently every single day. Part 1. The verb to be. What is the verb to be? The verb to be helps us describe people, places, feelings, and even time. It changes depending on the subject and the tense. Here's a simple table to show how the verb to be behaves in the simple present tense. I am. Repeat after me. I am. I am. Repeat after me. You are. You are. You are. He is. He is. She is. Repeat after me. She is. It is. It is. We are. We are. They are. They are. Let's look at some simple examples with the verb to be. I am happy. Say it with me. I am happy. I am happy. Great job! Always remember to use English with confidence. She is my teacher. Say it with me. She is my teacher. They are at school. Repeat after me. They are at school. They are at school. Amazing work! Every time you practice, your English gets stronger. Keep going, don't stop, and remember, English is easy when you use it every day. Here is another simple table to show how the verb to be works in the past tense. We use it to talk about yesterday or any time before now. I was. Repeat after me. I was. I was. You were. You were. You were. He was. He was. She was. Say it with me. She was. It was. It was. We wear. We wear. We wear. They wear. They wear. They wear. Examples of sentence. I was tired yesterday. Repeat after me. I was tired yesterday. I was tired yesterday. He was at home last night. Say it with me. He was at home last night. He was at home last night. They were late. Say it with me. They were late. They were late. Now, let's talk about the future tense with the verb to be. Do you notice the table? In the future, we always use will be for all subjects. I will be. You will be. He will be. She will be. It will be. We will be. They will be. I will be ready tomorrow. Say it with me. I will be ready tomorrow. I will be ready tomorrow. She will be 20 years old next year. Repeat after me. She will be 20 years old next year. Look at this beautiful sentence. We will be friends forever. We will be friends forever. We will be friends forever. Affirmative, negative, and questions. These are simple positive sentences. He is a doctor. Say it with me. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. They were hungry. Say it with me. They were hungry. They were hungry. I will be there. Say it with me. I will be there. Tip: affirmative sentences tell us the fact. Repeat after me. I will be there. Excellent! Keep practicing these to sound confident in English. Negatives show that something is not true. He is not a doctor. He is not a doctor. Repeat after me. He is not a doctor. They were not hungry. Say it with me. They were not hungry. They were not hungry. I will not be late. I will not be late. Say it with me. I will not be late. Is he a doctor? Is he a doctor? Say it with me. Is he a doctor? Were they hungry? Were they hungry? Say it with me. Were they hungry? Will you be late? Will you be late? Say it with me. Will you be late? Common mistakes. She are my sister. She is my sister. Tip: remember, with he, she, it we always use is in the present. They was at school. They were at school. Tip: with they, plural, we use were in the past tense. I will not late. I will not be late. Tip: in the future tense, Always use will plus be for the verb to be. Practice for you. Fill in with the correct form of to be. Take your time to answer. I am happy today. I am happy today. Take your time to answer. Remember what we learn. She was a doctor last year. She was a doctor last year. Ready to answer? Great job. They were not at home yesterday. They were not at home yesterday. Take your time to answer. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. Remember what we learn. Excellent! We will be students in the future. We will be students in the future. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. In Part 2, we'll learn more tenses. See you next time!